guys, good day. You are once again welcome to my channel. This is Tom. Today I want to take you through how to install and customize TradingView on your PC. Most people have been asking me how is or where do I analyze my chart before executing my trades. I do my analysis on TradingView application. Now, TradingView is one of the applications that actually help you to see the market with an eagle eye. It helps you to cast back what has happened before, the history of chart. You can actually see where market has started from. Compare it to MT5 or MT4. MT4, you may not be able to see much of the history, but with the TradingView, you can backtest to the first day a particular asset or a particular currency pair started. Okay, and moreover, or aside that, TradingView actually provide a lot of tools and indicators that you can use freely. Indicators that cost bigger amount before you be able to access. When you come to TradingView, you can actually have them freely. You can use them freely without paying a dime. Though there are premium versions of TradingView, but with the free version, you are okay to use. There's nothing you are going to miss out. Okay, so today I've made my mind to help you guys to install this application on your PCs. So stay with me till the end. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like my channel, and also turn on the notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will also be notified. Alright, so I already have TradingView on my PC. Okay, what I'll do is stay with me whilst I uninstall it so that I'll just take everything new from the beginning with you. I really want you to understand how it is being installed and how to customize it. So it has been uninstalled from my PC. So see that the icon is gone. So what we do is we just jump into our browser and search TradingView. Just type TradingView. Alright, so come to your browser and search TradingView. Okay. It has already appeared. So TradingView download. You have TradingView implementation. That one is for synthetic. So those who like to trade synthetic, they can actually use this. But that one is a web based. So it means you cannot install the application on your PC. You can only go to the website and then you analyze your chart over there. So just go straight forward, and then if you read through, you see them. TradingView download on PC, TradingView desktop app. So you can just click on any of them, but do not click on the implementation, TradingView implementation, to take it to a different thing altogether. So let's come to this TradingView desktop application. Click on it. Alright, so it will bring you to this place. You have TradingView desktop, experienced extra power, So we have the download for Windows, download for what? Mac OS, then download for what? Linux. So anyone you are using, I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to click here. So as you can see, it's already downloading over here. after it has downloaded, you come to this place and then go to downloads. Okay, so we have TradingView over here. Click on the folder so that you can find exactly where it is. And somewhere here, you copy it, or you go straight forward and just open the file. If you click on this, it's going to open the file. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Now you can close your browser. Alright, what do we have here? Install TradingView. So launch one ready. Good. If this place is not check it, okay, or you can choose to uncheck it so that you do whatever you want to do later on. So click on the install. We wait to take some few minutes before it will get installed on your PC, so you have to exercise some kind of patience. Now immediately it has been installed. You can actually find it here. I don't know the kind of PC you are using, but normally I do find it over here. So this is where we have it. Right click, then go to more. Then what do we have here? This unpin. So it will come that pin from unpin from taskbar. It means I've already pinned it, so I'm going to unpin it and do it again with you guys. So go to more, pin to a taskbar. Okay, so we can see over here that it has appeared here. Now double click on it again, let it open. Let it open for you. First it was actually delaying, so at times it misbehave. You have to close the one that is loading and you restart it and see. Alright guys, alright, so this is what we have here. What do we have here? It has launched nicely for us to customize. We have it installed. We have it, or we had it pinned to our taskbar. Now we're gonna have it customized. So over here we have Apple. We're not trading stock. We're not trading stock now. We want to trade forex, currency pairs. So we're gonna change this currency pairs to what? This stock, from stock to currency pair, and then we get rid from all this volume and other things. Okay, we have to change the color. Things must be clear here. So this is exactly where I want you to stay with me. Okay, stay with me whilst I take you through how to actually customize it. But anyway, if you are a newcomer to my channel, please hit it. The subscribe button. It is over there. Just hit it. Tap on it. Okay, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting such content every day or every week. Thank you for doing it. All right, so let's start with them. Where do we start from? Let's start with removing. Good. So an art will appear. If you try to close it, they'll tell you then you have to what? Be a pro plus, premium. But me, I want to remain where I am for now. So just want to close it. It will not appear again. Good. So go to come to the top here, over here, where you saw the volume. Okay, close it. That one is gone. We are done with that one. It's already gone. The place is becoming clearer, clearer, clearer. Now come here, drag this one a little bit away so that we can have good this. All right, so what do we do next? This is too white for me. I don't like white. I do not like plain white screen. I don't like it. Okay, so what do we do? Let's change the screen to the color you want. So I'm going to show you how I'll change mine. Do the same thing and change it to the color you want. So let me right click and come down to what? Settings. Even before settings, come to color theme. Okay, color theme, then go to black. Click on black. If you want it light, let it be on light. I want it black. So good, it has appeared this way. This is not the color we're going to have. Okay, we're not going to have this background color, no. All right, do same thing. Right click on the main chart, go to settings and wait for it to load. Good, it has come. So we have this. Let's leave the symbols now. Come straight to appearance. Stay on appearance. Okay, now here you have background, vertical grid lines, horizontal grid lines, scale text, scale lines, crosshair, watermark, navigation buttons, and a lot. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to remove the grid. But if you want the grid lines, kindly leave them. Okay, kindly leave them as they are. Leave them as they are. Because me, I don't like them, so I'm going to change it. Okay. You can leave it for now because this is not the color we're coming to use. So let's first change the color, the background color. Now we have this solid or gradient. I want it solid for now. Now come here. Which color do you want? Me, I want ash. I don't want to plain white. Okay, something like this is not too bad for me. You see this? Okay, something like this, not too bad. Yes, this is okay for me. I want it this way for now. Now because I said we want it solid, that's why this one went. Okay, so if you want it this way, so what we do is just come here, or you can come to this place. Can you see that? Okay, good. Then you come here to change it to the same thing, something like this. Okay, something like this. So you can leave it in how you want it. Now let's come to this place. What else do you want? Is that the color I want? This is the color I want. Yes, this is the color I want. Good. What about you? So you can change the colors. A lot of colors are here. You can change them. If you want it solid, just come here, go to solid, and then to just display everything. Okay, so let's try it again. Have you seen the solid? That's how it is. Not too plain white, but I like it this way. Good. Is that all? Good. Now come to the crosshair. Do you want this color? Me, I want it black. Okay, something like this. Yeah, I can see that. See the cross. This, I want it this way. If you want line, you can just come in and change it to what? To line. Okay, you have the line here, you have the dash line here. So let's change it to line and see. Can you see? If you want it dash, I want it dash. Let me change it to dash. Something like this is okay for me. All right, I think that is it for this place. Then the scale test, the test, how you want them to appear. Good. And then which color do you want them? Now you can see that these ones are almost like the color, the background color. So we change it to what? To black. something like this will show well. You can also change yours to what? To red, anyhow you want it. You can see. If you want green, change it. Any color you want, just change it to that color. But me, I want it black. I want black. Okay, I want black. Then it should be a little bit it's too big. 16, I think 16 will be better. Okay, 16 is okay for me. So after that, you just leave that place. Leave that place. So we don't need crossbar. If your crossbar is showing, just change it to the color of your screen. Okay, to the color of the background. So we are done with this one. Now let's come to the symbol. We said we don't want this color. I mean, I don't want this color. I want to see green, nice green, and then red. Not just this green. I do not like this green. And you don't also like it. This green too, okay. These two, some almost black. That's this dark green. Some don't like it this way. So any color you want to change it to, okay. Any color I want to change it to. Okay, so if it is too thick for you, you can just drag this one here like this. Then the red color is this, the rare red that we know. Any red that you think you can change it to, just according to your color. Okay, some want black and then white. Some want black and white. Some to this how they want it. Now last press and call, you can change it. If you want the wick to be black, just change it to black. Okay, if you don't even see wick right, can but how will you tell that wick? Something like this. The wick will just be black. That's not what you want. So it should be of the same color as the body. Okay, as the body. It should be what? Uniformly equal. So that's all that you need for over here. Yeah. So what do? Come to the status, symbol description. Yes. Describe the symbol over here. What type of symbol are you trading? Or asset are you trading? This NASDAQ. Then open, high, low, close values. Yes, they'll be showing here. They are open. The previous candlestick open at 151 at this price. Now the highest it went was this 151.47. Then the lower, it lowest week, this. That's what it means. And then you close at where? It closed at 164.85 over here. If you check, that's what I'm trying to say. All right. So so that's it for now. Symbol name. So if you want the name of the pair you are trading should appear here, you can just allow it or check this box here. Bid and ask price. Do you want to see them? Yes. I mean, I don't like it. You can just do it. Pre or post market price. High and low price. Okay, the highest point market has gone for that particular day, and then the lowest has gone for that particular day. It is going to show you. So if you want it, you just allow it. All right, so if we are done with what? With appearance, we change almost everything to what? To black. Then the what is it called? The symbols, we change green and then red. Yeah. So come to trading. What do you have here? We are not using this application for trading. We're only going to analyze market technically over here. So we don't use for trading. So this place is not relevant to us. So that's it. So after that, you just come and then yeah. Good. I'm not showing it something here. Okay, so that's it. So click on OK. You are done. So you can see this. Now we are not trading and hold control while zooming to maintain. Okay, we're not trading stock, so we want to trade currency. We want to trade currency. So just come here where the apple is showing, tap on it or click on it. Good. Now this is going to appear. This is going to appear over here. It's going to appear. So you go to, we have forex, we have all here. It means everything will be showing, but alphabetically arranged. Then we have the stock here. You see, we have the futures here. Only 39 matching symbols found with other filters. Okay, come to forex. Can you see? The reason why it is not showing because we have apple here, so we have to clear that apple there. Then now if you click on the features, you see they are here. Forex, they are here. Cryptocurrency is here. Indices are here. We have bonds here. Then economy is also here. Of course, S&P and then another one. Okay, so we want to be at forex. Now let's change the current asset to what? Let me say my favorite pair, Euro USD, with which market? FX. Okay, this is good. So I'll click on it. It will load. Very good. So it has loaded. It has loaded Euro USD on the chart nicely for me. You see, so alright, take your trading to the next level. They are doing this because okay, so if you click here, it means you have to sign in. I am already in. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in, then they will tell me what I should do. You are supposed to sign in or register account with them. You can use Google to access it. So just say what, grant access, and then that is all. As soon as I say I ask them to grant, pay to go. So wait. So you need to register. Okay, you need to create an account with them. It's free. You join free, like they said. Just join what? Freely. That is all. You join freely. I should have done this earlier. I forgot to do that. Okay. So to take some time, okay, to take some time before it will come, but then, all right, it wouldn't take much time though. Alright, so I'm going to close this one. Since I'm already registered, so this is it. I'll just come to my account like a login. Okay, just like me logging in. Now this is my account. Let me delete everything so that to be clear for you guys. Alright, so we continue the same way as we stop. Okay, so you are going to actually register a new account with them. You just register as we've been signing up. So you sign up for an account. Okay, just sign up. Okay, sign up. You can sign up with your Google. So that anytime at all you just launch the application, you'll be automatically signed in. All right. So I was showing you how to get the currency pairs. Now I said, so now come and click on the Euro USD here to come for you to search the kind of what currency pair you want. So you see the search, we have the search by your search engine, how it's called. So just type in whatever you want to do. Now we are not looking for all. That's at Forex. Tap here. You know, anything you want to trade. If you want to trade gold, search here gold, okay, or use the symbol. This is not gold I'm looking for. It's gold no here. Okay, because I mentioned I selected Forex, so gold will not appear. Now type gold, type in gold. Now it has come. Okay, you have the gold. The symbol is XAUUSD. So if you type that one, you have XAUUSD, the same as gold. Okay, that's the symbol for gold. Now you just type any of the distance and then enter. This is the gold. Can you see this gold? This gold. So this is good. Any pair you want to trade, you have it here. So I wouldn't waste much of your time on this. Today is just for us to get it installed and then customize it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to identify the various tools that you can use. Okay, the various tools that you can use to help you analyze the market without any difficulty. So make sure you stay or you subscribe to this channel so that if I drop that video, you're going to get access to it. So now, good. Okay, let this will be a complete video. All right, so now we are going to continue with the various tools. Now I'm going to navigate with you, okay, through the various features you have on the application. Looking at it over here, this is where the symbol show. So when you click that's the first thing we want to look at. All right, this is the first thing. This is my account. This is, if you log in, this is where it's going to appear. So I'll log in as what? As Tom Casey. So if I click here, I have so many, about 11 notifications to have to read, which I've not read before. I've not read yet. Now over here, if you see where the symbol XAUUSD is, that's where we find our symbols. Okay, the symbols you want to analyze or you want to trade on either your phone or your PC, but then you want to analyze it with TradingView application. When you click here, you come and search as I've already shown you. Then you tap on it, or you click on it, and then to appear on the chart for you. Now next to it is compare or add symbol. Over here you can compare pairs. You can compare pairs to see which ones are negatively or positively correlated. Now let's compare gold to Euro USD. Okay, so click here and then we are going to add the second pair. So Euro USD is already here. Let me just click on it and then see. Now it has appeared as what? As a line chart. I'm going to change it to what? To candlesticks. So it has appeared here. So you can see that gold and then Euro USD are positively somehow positively correlated. Not all the time, but mostly. Okay, because they are all negatively correlated to what? To the dollar index. So you can see. You see, if you drag them, you can even backtest backward. What happens to gold most of the times do happen to what? To Euro USD. You see, as the gold bought here, this one also bought, but they are not perfectly positively correlated. Okay. All right, so That's what we use that particular feature for. Over here, when you tap here, you just add the second currency. Now yeah, beside it we have the time. This is where the time is being shown, the time it takes for a particular candlestick to close. Here we have the 5 minutes time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 2 hours. You can add, you can customize it yourself. Okay, when you click here, when you click on this arrow, it will come. So anyone that you want to add, you can just add all. So I have from 5 minutes up to what, up to the mentally. So anyone you want to, if you trade on 1 minute, just click on this star here, it will be added as favorite. 3 minutes is also there. Can you see that? So since I don't need it, I'm just going to leave it. We have 45 to even seconds. We have seconds here. Can you see that? We have seconds. So that's it. So if you want 1 minute, so I can even remove it. I can remove those that I don't want. I don't like the 1 minute, the 3 minutes, so they are gone. So if you just click on it, the chart is going to change according to the time frame. So this 5 minutes chart that you can see, it means it takes 5 minutes for what, this particular a candlestick over here to close. Here 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour to what, the mentally. Now it takes 1 month for any of this candlestick here to close. This candlestick is still moving until the month end before it is going to close. Okay, until September is over or it has ended, this candlestick is not going to close, to continue moving. So this candlestick over here, the whole of August, that was how Euro USD moved. Good, so that's it. Now the next one is we can see candlestick. So this way you can change between how you want your chart to look like. Do you want the candlestick chart? Do you want the line chart? The bar chart? Do you want hollow candlestick? Which one do you want? So if you click on it, you have a lot of them. You have the bars here, candlestick. This one we mostly use. The hollow candlestick, I don't use it. The columns. So if you tap on them, they're going to change. Can you see? This is the bar. So click the same place, candles. We have hollow candles. That's how it means. It is. Most people are using this, similar to what, the candlestick. Then we have the column. The column, never traded it before. We have the line chart. So these are the most common ones, the candlestick and the line chart. Okay, then we have area. We have this. Anyone your mentor taught you, that's what we're going to use, I'm sure. See, high connection. You have the wrinkle. This is how it looks. You have the line break. People are good at this. So depending on the one that you are familiar with, just stick to it. All I want to do is you want to make money from the market. Good. This one there, I don't even know what they're talking about. So let me go back to my candlesticks. All right, so we are here. So I think I'm done with this part. The next one is the indicator feature. Over here, you can select any kind of indicator you want to select. So when we come here, can we see that I have these indicators, but I never use them. That was when I started my forex journey. You know, if you're a beginner, you're going to use a lot of what indicators before you actually become good at technical analysis or pure price action. But for now, I don't use any indicator. I use I use pure price action to tell the direction of the market. Yes. So if you click here, you can search any indicator that you want. But when you click on the arrow here, it means you want to select from the one you've already marked as favorite. You can see favorite indicators. I mark them. But if you've not selected any, what you do, just come to this place and then click. When you click on it, this will come. You have favorite, my scripts, technicals. I never tried these things over here before. So good. So just search. Maybe you want a moving average, exponential moving average. So EMA. It will appear for you to select. As long as you click on it, the indicator will go to appear on your chart. Now you can customize the indicator that you've brought onto the chart. How do you do that? Come here, or just double click on the indicator, sorry, or just, yeah, when you double click at times to come. As I double click, it has appeared here. If you cannot do that, just come to the top here, top left corner here. You see the eye. If you click on the eye, it means you're hiding it. It is gone. Then if you unhide it, it will appear again. Then these are the settings. So we want the settings. Maybe you want we have input, we have style. The style talks about the how we want it to look like, the color, the line, how we want it to be. Okay, you want it smooth, then another one will be added. If not, then leave it, remove it. Then come to, maybe you want 200 exponential moving average or the 50 exponential moving average. So just type in the number here, then click OK. Okay, you see that it has changed now. This is it. This is the best what is it called, indicator that one can use. It follows the trend. It shows you the trend. See, it can tell you the trend. So this shows that you are in a downtrend. So you should be looking for what more sells than buys. Alright, but me, I don't use it. So if you want it to look thick, do the same thing. You want it to look thick, so come to style. Okay, so when you click on the color, this is what it's going to see. So you can select any of this in the levels you want. If you want it big, you see it has become thicker. That's the highest, depending on what your eyes, if you cannot see very well. So you can see that as soon as it comes to the moving average, it goes down. Yeah, so that's it, more or less a trend line. So I thank you guys for staying with me. Alright, if you're enjoying the video, kindly like it and then share to your friends to also have access to. Share to your friends, those who need it. Yeah, and then try to subscribe, please. Subscribe. I'm giving you 5 minutes to just subscribe to the channel. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's continue. So now we are done with the indicators too. Alright, so now here we can actually set an alert. Maybe you anticipate that when market gets to a particular price level, the market is going to come down. So when you click on the alert, you can use the alert to do it. Is good. Is it crossing? Is it that price cross a particular level? And then you select over here. Now then the value, the price. You have the prices here. Where do you want market to get to so that you can you'll be notified? Then you put the price over here. How many times do you want to sound? Only once, or every time? The date, the time. So we'll do that and then just create. When you create price, it's going to be there. Then anytime price get to that particular point, it's going to alert you that it's time to sell or to buy. All right. So replay. This replay, this the only place where those who are using the premium do get advantage. Now, if you're using the free version, you cannot actually do the replay on lower time frame, but you can use it for for daily. So if I click on the replay, what will happen is that I'm going to take this part out. Okay, then I'll play it over here. Then how price moved is going to show me. So let's go. You see, this is how price was moving only for daily. So this is actually good for you to test or back test your strategy. So engulfing, so you can choose to enter here. You're going, just come back. Yes, took you out if you're not very so smart. All right, have you seen how it is playing? So if you want it to go fast, you just adjust the speed. You see the way it is going. Very fast, you can see. So that's all. But let's go to 1 hour and see whether it's going to do the same thing. So that's it. Okay, we are in 1 hour. Let's see whether it is going to play. So I want to cut the same place out. Have you seen? Test your strategies with intraday bar replays. So I have to be a pro plus or premium before I can actually use that particular time frame. So you can use from daily, weekly, and monthly if you are a free member. If you've not, subscribe to their premium, to their premium, you cannot use it. Okay, you can't use it. So that's it. Now that's that for that. All right, so in case you are doing something that you've made a mistake, assuming you drew this line and then it has removed, but you want it back. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, so if I click here, it means it will bring it back. Have you seen? So if I click here, it will bring the trend line back, but if I should click here, it means it's going to send me to where I left before going back. So that's it. And then this here, select layout. Which layout do you want? How do you want your chart to appear? So you select over here. Let's select this and see what will happen. So this one too, you cannot use it unless you are a premium member. Unless you've subscribed to what they are, subscribe to their content before you can use that particular feature. Now here it will save everything that you are doing. Will be saving. To just be saving automatically. So that's why you can have your items saved for days. Okay, unlike your phone, when you are using your phone for analysis, especially MT5, anytime you draw something on top, before you just leave the chart and come back, all the drawings are gone. But for TradingView here, it will be there for years unless you delete them yourself. You can even bear with me as I was trying to start the navigation. I deleted some items from the chart because they were automatically saved. Now, so let's come here. What are we searching here? Search to or function. You can search anything that you want here. You can also capture your screen. Okay, you can capture your screen. Save chart image, copy chart image, copy link to the chart image, copy image in new tab, switch chart image. So you can use this one to also send what your analysis to someone somewhere. Okay, when you save it, you can save it. Okay, you can just copy it, go and give to anyone that you want to give. I can publish it here and see it has been copied. So that's it. That is not what is going to help us now. Now let me hide this one for now. Let me hide it. Let me hide this for now. Okay, so you want to select at least every trader must have pairs that he trades, he follows. Do not trade every pair. Do not follow all pair and become only a master of none. No, get at least maximum part 3 pairs you follow. You know how they move. So if you want to have those 3 pairs, you can just come to this place, tap on it. Did you see where I went? The top here, where the mouse or the cursor is. Tap on it to appear here. Now let me assume you don't have all this here. What you do is we have what? Add symbol. So when you click here, it will come for you to add. They say all, anything at all that you want to add. Assume you already have some here. I want to add BTC, that's Bitcoin. So I have Bitcoin here, but this is not BTC USD. BTC USD. So BTC against United States dollar. Bitcoin against United States dollar. Like this, it will appear for me. Then I'll just come to the plus sign here. Then I'll click on it. So I'll wait. You close it. What do you have here? It has been added over here. So this is how we add to the watch list. So this is how we go your watch list. Okay, this is a watch list. You can see whatever you want to see, the change. Okay, the change that okay in percentage, last price, the symbol itself. I want to see the symbols itself. So that's all. You can also hide it. Just click on this thing again and to go. Alright. So the features here, there are a lot of things here. I don't want to make the video too long. You can read some news here. Data window, hot list. There are some I'm not comfortable with over here. The calendar is also here. There's a chat. Okay, we have private chat and then also public chat. Sometimes I do join them here. Yeah, here you can learn a lot of things. People do educate here. You see, GU. That's a GBP USD today. Now I'm sure it was on Friday. People do put signals here. So if you don't know anything about trading, you can be following some people here, learning small. Learning. Others use indicators here. Okay, so this particular application is wonderful. You see, someone put a signal here which really worked out. It played out nicely. Another one too. It's another one too here. So even if you don't have anything doing, or if you don't know much, you see TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 hit. You can follow them here. Some to do educate. They do teach nicely. Nice setup. So you compare this to yours. If you are a beginner and you don't trust your analysis well, just compare them to what you're also doing. You see indicators. How people are using indicators. Yeah, so you can learn a lot of things here. Just come to the public chat. If you have a private chat with someone, you can also do it over here. So this public chat and then you do. So if you click on it, it will go. It will go. Now let's come to the technical tools. These are the technical tools over here. Okay, this is the trend line tool. Now they all have arrows. You can see them. So when you tap on the arrow, you can select anything that you want to select. If you want your mouse to be dot, click on it. Have you seen the mouse? The cursor has changed to a dot. How you want it? So let me go back there. Any of them you want? Okay. So I want the crossbar. So let me just select it. Good. Then when you come to this place, a lot of things are here. This is the trend line. This is the arrow line. This is the ray. One side doesn't stop. It just goes like that long. Information line, extended line, trend angle, horizontal line, then horizontal ray, vertical cross line, forward channel, regression trend, flat top or bottom. So depending on the analysis you want to do and then what you need, when you come there, when you tap click on the arrow, all this will appear for you to select the one you want to use. Okay. Now also the third one is this. So we have Fibonacci retracement over here. Okay, a lot of them are here. So depending on what you've been taught and what you know much. I know most of it, you know Fibonacci retracement. So when you click on it, just bring it here. And we see it. So this is how it is used. So the more you practice here, yeah, that's how you're going to understand it. And then you can customize all this. You can change all this. Just come here, then you do your own editing or changes. You can delete it over here. Now let's move on. So when you come to this place too, yeah, we have the brush here. You can actually use it to write. Can you see? You can use it to draw, to do whatever you want to do. You can delete it when you just tap on it and then you can delete everything. Okay, come back to that later. Alright, so that's the brush. I want to delete everything. Good. It's gone. So that's all. Okay, I'm still on it. So just come here and then if you want to write with it, that's what you do. So if you need a highlighter, you can also use it. If you need a rectangle, maybe you want to draw, you want to identify some support or resistance, you can use a rectangle to do that. Okay, the same thing can also be used for the resistance, something like that. You can see all these fake breakouts. They are all fake breakouts. As soon as it broke up above, it broke inside again. Broke above, broke inside. So that's how I call it fake breakout. Fake breakout. So that's good. Yes, and I really chop some coins over here. Trading in between this. This was a news that was released. It was on Thursday or Wednesday, yeah. The interest rate, yeah, decision. Fed interest rate decision. Yeah, we actually catch it. We catch it before it finally came to break here. So this is a break. This is a true breakout. You see, this is a true breakout. There was a retest here, then down sell. This was a retest. It came down. Yeah. So that's a rectangle. You can use the rectangle for that. Let's move on. You can also use these circles. You can use them here. Maybe you want to show someone something. You can use it like that. Okay, to pinpoint some points or some vantage places. A lot of things, anyone that you can use. Okay, now maybe you want to follow the trend, zigzag line. You can use that one too. You can use it. The polyvisa. Can you see it? See that? See that? Okay. So now I want to remove it. Just click on it and then delete over here. Or I want to come to delete here. Then remove trade drawings. Yes. So they are all gone. Also, you can also delete the indicator there. Remove indicator. Yes, it is gone. Now let's move on. So let's come to this place. Here you can actually use type. Maybe this is the one I normally use, the call out. You can insert images on this place. You can insert image. The maximum is what? 2 megabyte image. Okay. So all these things will know, for now, they will not actually help you to analyze your market technically. But as time goes on, as you move on, you are going to be using them. Be familiar with them. Maybe you want to write a test, so you can use this, and then maybe people to watch out for this point. Okay, sell here, sell. So do that and then just leave it. Obviously, a lot of features that you can use on this. Now let's move on to this place. This harmonic patterns. Okay, harmonic patterns. How are they being used? If you don't know how to use it, then go and learn. Okay. Good. So there is it. Have you seen? Yeah, market came down after you read the D. So some people are very good at this. I know a mentor who is very good at this. Harmonic, Dr. Harmonic. Yeah. So me, I don't use this particular strategy. So, but if you are good at it, you can actually use the tool. Also have what? The ABCD pattern. Those who follow Elliott waves. Elliott waves, you can have that even here. Elliott impulsive wave, Elliott triangle wave. That's the ABCDE. Elliott triple combo wave. Anyone that you are good at, use it. Now, good. When you come here, long position, then short position. Okay, forecast, date range. There are a lot of things I've never used over here before, but this one I normally use it to measure the risk of your trade. How much are you going to win? Maybe you anticipate the market is going to go up. So how much are you risking? How much are you gaining? Can you see? If market should go your way, how much are you going to win? Right. So as market is going, you can be dragging it. You see. So market never reach your target, but then you are taking out. Yeah. So this will actually help you to know how much you are risking on a trade in percentage and then in pips. Okay, so you can see the pips at the top here. Now we have this for the long. When you come to that row, we have the short. The same thing can also be done for it. Maybe you enter a trade here. Your stop loss, where will your stop loss be? So how much are you risking? 0.67% of your account. That's what it means. Okay. Then the amount. So you are risking 75 pips. You can see the 750. It means 75 pips. Okay. Okay. This. Oh, that's it. All right. So good. Sorry. So stop loss 11 pips. Then 61 pips. Risking 11 pips to get 61 pips. Good. So let's go. Now we also have this here. Sorry. These things are just emojis and then other signs, symbols that you can use to just show some things. Okay. We all know this. Pump up. Alright, so let's move on. Now the next item is what? The measure. Just like a ruler, the pip ruler. So we want to measure how much this market has gone, how much in pips up to this place. How many? That's 7,714 pips. Okay. And then how many bars? That's how many candlestick? There's 76 bars, 1 hour candlestick. How many days? 3 days, 7 hours. Okay, 3 days, 7 hours. So that's, you can use it to measure what the pips. Then this for zoom in and then zoom out. So this I never used it before. I don't want to use. Okay, so you can actually lock. Maybe you have a line that you've drawn down. You want to lock this bar. Okay, you just want to lock it down. What to do is either you click on it and come to this padlock here, lock it. If you move, it will not move. No matter what you do, it will not move unless you delete it. So you can unlock it. It has been unlocked. Good. Now you can also change the color here. I'm using black. I can change it to this color. So this is what the borderline. This is what the background. So let's change it and see. Have you seen that it has changed? So I don't want it that way. Now you can also remove the opacity of it. Okay, how do you want it to look? Do you want it to be thick or light? By dragging this. Okay. So let me go back to my hash. Okay, so that's it. I hope it is clear with guys here. Alright, if you're enjoying the video, remember to like it and share with your friends. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so let's move on. Alright, so gold is going down. Gold is going down. It's actually going down. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, I think that is it. So you can delete if you don't want to see those down, just hide it here if you want to see it. Then there's a padlock. You can also lock them here. You can see that you cannot move anything here because you've locked almost everything. Have you seen? Okay, so if you lock them, if you lock it, so you can't move it. You cannot move it unless you go to unlock. Now I can move it. Can you see? Yes, so that's it. Alright, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of the video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on the notification, and share to your friends, share to all social media, Facebook. We need to grow this channel. Okay, we'll start doing technical analysis here, where we'll be analyzing trade before we take it together. So can you give me that? Help me with that. Okay, let's grow it. We'll be seeing more giveaways if we get to 1,000, 1K. Our first 1K going to give away. So stay with me over here. Thank you. We'll meet again in another video. Please, if you have any question, just drop it in the chat box or comment box there. I'm going to answer to. I'm going to attend to every question. I'm going to attend to every question. All right. So bye.